Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another special register of DB2, which is current SQLID. This special register, current SQLID, is mainly used to fetch the uh, authorization ID of the current SQL statement. So whenever you want to fetch the authorization ID of current SQL statement, in that case you can use current space SQL ID special register. Now, how we can use the same special register in the SQLRPGLE program? So for that, just follow these steps. First of all, declare one constant which is SQL state underscore valid with 5 times zeros. This constant later we will use to verify the query. After that, I have declared one variable result variable of character type length 20. This variable we will use to store the output which we are retrieving from the query. Afterwards, I set the commitment option to star none. Okay, this is optional thing for you. And here we are using the actual query. So in actual query, I'm using the special register, which is current space SQLID. So make sure you put this space, otherwise it will give error. Okay, this is not a function, this is a special register, so there is no need to pass any argument. You just need to write current SQLID space with a space. Okay, now whatever the value it will return will be stored into the host variable result, and it is coming from sys ibm.systeme1. Once query is executed, we will check for SQL state. If SQL state is equal to SQL state underscore valid, display result, else display SQL state with a message query ended with an error, and if INLR on. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now we'll call this program, and you can see it is printing the output as star libl. So authorization ID for current SQL statement in pub400 is set as star libl. Same thing if you would like to run over the str SQL screen. So you can see here, select current SQL ID as auth ID. So here I'm using the alias name which is auth ID from sysibm.systeme1. So if I hit enter, you can see it is printing the auth ID as authorization ID as star libl. Okay, so this is how we can utilize this current space SQL ID in SQLRPGLE program and in normal query. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.